Have you ever wondered what it would be like to grow up in a palace? Well, today we're going to learn about a very special boy named Musa, who lived in the most magnificent palace in all of Egypt. But how did baby Musa end up in the palace? You see, Pharaoh's wife found him floating in a basket on the river Nile. She fell in love with the sweet baby and decided to raise him as her own son. Even though Musa was born to a different family, Allah had a special plan for him. As Musa grew up, he had everything a prince could want. He lived in beautiful rooms decorated with gold and precious stones. He wore the finest clothes and ate delicious food. He learned to read and write and studied with the best teachers in all of Egypt. But even though Musa had all these wonderful things, he had a kind and gentle heart. He would see the servants working hard in the palace, and he always treated them with respect and kindness. He never forgot to be grateful for all his blessings. As Musa got older, he began to wonder about where he really came from. Deep in his heart, he knew there was something special about his story. The palace walls held many secrets, and Musa's true identity was one of them. Little did anyone know that this boy growing up in the palace would one day become a great prophet. Allah was preparing Musa for something amazing. His time in the palace was teaching him important lessons that he would need for his special mission in the future.